Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Candy Perler Fairy. So in this special video, I'm gonna show you how to build this Among Us 3D model using an app. And also, if you like to build the actual Among Us 3D Perler, you can also wait until the end. I'm gonna show you a tutorial. Let's go. Alright, let's go to the App Store and download the Mega Voxel Play app. It's pretty easy, so just enter it and then look for this app and then get it and download it. Alright, so let's get into this app. Create a new scene and then type in the name. So here I put Among Us, and then you will pick 3232 by 32. So first you will see this. So you will click the selection button and select the entire thing and delete it. So the whole block is deleted. And now we start building. So that is where to build, and then we're gonna pick a color. I picked chowder color, like orange color. And then I'm gonna pick the second one because I want to make form, not just individual block. I want to make like, like a line of block or like a form of blocks. So now I made horizontal 9 block. I'm gonna make vertical 10 blocks, and I'm gonna drag it over to make a rectangle from here. I've been using an Apple pencil, which is easier, but you can always use fingertips as well. Now I'm gonna click the expand feature. So it's gonna expand the color this way. So it will make it so much easier for you. Now we have the shape. So my shape is all the way in the back of the space. I'm gonna go to selection and highlight the entire shape and then pull the blue arrow to move it to the center. So now it's right in the center, so it's easier to work with. Now I'm gonna go back to click on build, and I'm gonna build on the top, adding a little extra layer to the top. And from here, I'll continue building extra blocks to create that shape of the Among Us. Now I'm gonna go to the erase feature and then erase it using that line block. But you can also just delete the cube one by one. So I really like that feature better. So I'm gonna build one more small layer on the top. And yeah, there it is. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause and go at your own pace. So this will be my first layer, and I'm gonna make those like shapes. I'm gonna remove the sides and then also the bottom. So this is gonna be my first layer, and then I'm gonna add on to it. Now I'm gonna add the goggle, so I'm gonna change it to a gray color and go back to build. And this is the goggle part that I'm building on top of the front layer. Now let's go to paint and then pick the color. I'm gonna pick the white for the glass on the top. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use the erase feature just to cut out more blocks to create that layers to dimension to have like showing the legs and then the body. And after that, we're gonna go to the back and adding the oxygen tank. Alright, so we're on the back, and we're gonna add the oxygen tank, and then we're just gonna do some final touch, then we'll be done. Let's do it. So as you can see, I continue to remove some more blocks to show like the legs, more dimension, and then now I am adding the oxygen tank on the back. As you can see, I am gonna remove some more blocks to create that shape for the Among Us. And if you want to change another color, you can see the feature under the pink color is the fill feature. So you can choose a different color that you like, and then just click on that one, and then click on your Among Us, and it will change it to the color that you like. Now let's go to exiting the editing mode, and you can see your model here. And now we're gonna go change the color. So you're gonna go to scene setting change. So you can change the background color and how it display. You can choose however you like. And then you can also have the feature to take a picture. So now I'm doing like color changing of the background and the floor. Looking really cool, right? So always try to explore other feature in this program, and you will have so much fun. And at the corner you can see a camera, so you can take a picture here, and I think somewhere you can also do a video. Now here you can click play feature, and you can go to your gallery, and then you can choose like, how it's built. You can choose other option. You can stop the spinning and do like a video as well. And then there's also other play feature that you can do, like destroy, or like I like to play this game using the 3D model that I built. So have fun with this, and then try other feature and other things that they have in this app, because they have a lot of cool stuff. So make sure you check it out. All right, let's get started. So here is gonna be the connector for the face, and then these are the pieces for the front. All right, so let's connect it. Let's pick this piece up as the centerpiece, and then we're gonna add the goggle, just like so. And then we're gonna connect it to this piece. All right, look, we're done for the first part. All right, so here is gonna be the second part. So as you can see, the body, we have a connector here. And then we're gonna start with this piece. Okay, so we have these two pieces right here. All right, let's get started. Let's connect these pieces first. Yep, and then we're gonna have these 3 beads leaving out. And then also this one, the same thing goes on the other side. And then we're gonna have 3 beads, the same thing, leaving out on the one side. All right, so let's connect this one onto the top. And you can see the holes right here. So we're just gonna slide these 2 in first. Yep, so that it created the space for the body. Now you can already see it, right? All right, let's connect the back. So this is gonna be the back piece. So we're just gonna put it on here, the same thing as we did on the front. We're gonna slide through here. All right, that looks great, right? And then let's add the top to close it up first, so that it can, lock the pieces together. Yay, looking good. All right, so let's complete the side pieces, as you can see right here. So let's add this one. Just come here on this side, and then the same thing on this one to complete on this side. All right, always try to find the side that is really flat, perfectly, to avoid like the bigger gap. And then from here, I'm gonna insert this little tiny piece to connect the bottom. These pieces are very important. All right, so I got these 2 in now. Woo, finally. All right, so adding this piece onto the last piece right here. So I think it should go this way. Yep. All right, so it's gonna go this way, and then on the other side, the same thing. So this little sticking piece out is gonna be facing the back. Yay, so we got this done. Look, like right here, I see a little gap, so I think I'm gonna switch it so that it will have less gap on this side. Yeah, Looks good. Hopefully this one is good too. Yeah. Okay, this side is it's actually better. All right, so let's come here to finish the back. So this is gonna be the connector to connect here. These are really tight to iron the pieces. And then let me see. This is gonna be, oops. Oh, this is gonna be right here. All right, let's see how it works. Let's connect this piece from here. Push all the way in. Yep, just like that. And then this piece is gonna go this way. Yep, so that we can add this bead, this bead right here. Oh, I have an extra hole right here, but that's fine. When you cover this, you can't see it. All right, then we're done with the purple Among Us. Hey, I hope you make this one and tag me on Instagram so I can give you a special shout out. And also try to build the Among Us in the Make a Voxel app. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.